So first of all, we will start working with our run method. So let's start, and we will be calling it with this iApplication Builder app dot run, right? And let's first of all go to its definition. Go to definition first, and over here we can see that the summary of this run method that it is used to add a terminal middleware delegate to the application request pipeline, right? And it is expecting two parameters. First one is your app iApplication builder app, and the second method is of request delegate, and it is available in run extension class, right? And that is your static class. So let's go back to the code, and over here we can write that, remember one thing, that .NET Core basically works on the async programming, right? So here we need to write, async keyword, and here we can write in the description await keyword, await, and we can call response, right? Not this. First of all, we need to write context, then we need to call response dot write async, and in this let's write one simple message that hello from test, right? Saving the application. So as I have told you that your .NET Core web application, it works in a async that's it works in a async programming mode. So that's why we have to write async and await keyword. So without making any further change, so let's run the application after saving this. And for running the application, we have to click this button, and we can see the output in the Chrome browser. Yeah, we can see here is our output, hello from test. The response we are getting, whatever we have written in this message. Now let me stop the application, and let's create one more middleware. We can see, let's copy and paste it, and here we can write test2, right? Now save the application. Now running the application again, and now let's see in the browser. Now we can see the same output we are getting as we get earlier, hello from test, right? But we are not getting this one, new one. So why this is happening? uh, Let me stop the application first. This is because we have used this run method, and whatever we have written the code in this run method, it will execute all the code in this pipeline, right? It will execute because we have already seen in the previous video that run method is basically used to complete the execution of a middleware. So it will complete the execution, but after this it will not complete the execution of the remaining middleware, right? Because run method is basically used, we have already discussed, it is used to complete the middleware execution, and that's what we are seeing, that it is completing the middleware execution, but it is not executing the further middleware. For that we need to write next method that we will be discussing in the next video. So that's why this is not running, that's why the output is not coming for this middleware. Let's do one more thing. Let's comment this first one. Let's comment the first when method, and now save the application. And after saving the changes, let's run the application. Now we will see the output from the second when method. Let's wait. We can see output hello from test2. Now we are getting the output from the second one method. So this is how basically your run method works in the middleware, right? And for executing both of these middleware, we have to deal with the next method that we will be looking in the upcoming videos. So that's it for this video.